Welcome back to our simulated environment for another demonstration. Today, we'll be delving into the ACP panel and exploring its various functions. Let's begin by discussing the simplest indication, the passenger call. When a passenger presses the call button on the PSU, the corresponding blue field on the ACP illuminates steadily in the designated zone. This feature ensures that cabin crew members can promptly attend to passenger requests. It's important to bear in mind that the SIDs can be configured using zones, which are utilized for different functions, including passenger calls. One common setup involves having separate zones for the left and right sides of the aircraft. Consequently, when a passenger on the right side activates the call button, both the front and rear ACPs for that zone will illuminate. Keep in mind that the blue field never blinks and always remains steady. Now let's move on to the red fields, which indicate calls through the interphone system. When a rear station initiates a call to a forward station, the correspondent ACP will steadily illuminate the two red fields. Similarly, if a forward station calls a rear station, the aft ACP will remain steadily illuminated until the handset is answered. However, if any station, including the cockpit, uses the emerg call function, the ACP will blink to signify an emergency. Lastly, we have the amber field, which serves as an indication for the lavatory situation. For this demo, we'll focus on the front lavatory. When a passenger presses the call button in the LSU, the amber field on the ACP will illuminate steadily. However, in the event that the lavatory smoke detector detects smoke, the system will activate an alarm, and the amber field on the ACP will start blinking. This visual indication will continue until the smoke dissipates below the detector threshold. As you can see, the ACP provides a quick visual indication of various situations in the cabin, facilitating efficient responses from the cabin attendants. In our next lesson, we'll explore the AIP, another vital panel that provides crew members with more accurate information. We value your feedback, so don't forget to share your farts on the forum.